Hello my dear learners. In this video we are going to discuss about do not jump for linearity at first. A linear model is simply a model that is based upon a straight line. This means that we are usually trying to summarize our observed data in terms of a straight line. These graphs that I just showed are the same data set for two different linear lines, one with curve and one with straight line. As a behavioral and social scientist, most of the models that we use to describe data tend to be linear models. For example, analysis of variance and regression are identical systems based on linear models. The main purpose of using statistical model is to assess how well a given model fits the data, not bias for fit the models linear. This is why it is useful to plot your data first. Plots will tell you a great deal about your models should be applied to data. Finally, if your plot seems to be suggesting you a non-linear model, then you should investigate that possibility. Do not jump for linear models first. In next tutorial, we will discuss assessing the fit of the mean, sums of square, variance and standard deviation. Stay tuned and do subscribe for latest updates. Bye-bye.